Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top hodler on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFXbook third-party track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about gold. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders by looking at what the big players in the market are doing, so the big institutional speculators, the non-commercials, and how they are moving and shifting their orders. And then we will put together this multi-time frame top-down technical analysis with the order flow analysis to try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is in a very strong uptrend. In fact, what we can notice is the creation of all these monthly higher highs and higher lows. These corrections are very shallow correction in which immediately new institutional buyers enter the market in each and every one of these corrections, immediately protecting this area of support and propelling the price higher. However, this last correction is a much deeper one. In fact, if we want to measure it, we have to take our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse leg. We can see that the market retraced all the way down to the zone in between the 0.618 and 0.786 retracements. And this is the last possible zone in which if institutional buyers want to protect the uptrend, they have to enter inside of this area and push the price higher. Because if you have an uptrend and then one of the impulses gets completely retraced, at that point you have an inversion to a downtrend. So we expected buyers to enter the zone. That is exactly what is currently happening, and the price is pushing higher. Let's drop down on the weekly time frame and see what we have. Now, from a weekly standpoint, we can see a perfect inversion of trend and break of structure, basically. In fact, we went from the creation of all these weekly lower lows and lower highs. We then had this double bottom kind of created at this zone. The market failed in going below this area, and now it is rejecting to the upside. In rejecting higher is also breaking structure, as I was saying, because we now have these previous highs, which were acting as previous resistance, preceding these rejections to the downside. These zones have now been broken to the upside. So this previous resistance is now turned support here. If the market will go and test this area, there is good probability inside of here to see more institutional buying and a rejection to the upside. Now, in order to see even more with more precision what kind of structure we have inside of here, of course, we have to increase our granularity by going on lower time frames. If we go here on the daily, in fact, what do we see now? First of all, I spoke about gold just a few days ago as the market was inside of this accumulation area, and explained all the reasons for which I was expecting this rejection to the upside, which is in fact exactly what the market just gave us. And by the way, I will link in the description that previous analysis so you can go and check it out for more free education. Just a quick interruption, let me know in the comments below if you have any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in the next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. At the moment, what do we have? Well, here on the daily, we have a strong impulse to the upside. Now, after an impulse, if we want to measure the correction, we have to take our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse leg. If we do that, we can see how we have the 0.32, 50% and 0.618 retracements currently lining up perfectly with this previous area of resistance, which is now turned support. Now, this of course creates confluence of demand and support at this area. So if the market will go and reach this zone, there is very good probability inside of here to see more institutional buying. Moving to the commitment of traders to see what institutions currently are doing, this data is already of gold against the USD because the data is already reported against the USD. And we can see how in the long term net positions have been increased when it comes to the long term, from 154K up to 182K. In the short term, we have seen a decrease. We went from 194K down to 182K. Now, of course, in the long term, that is still very, very bullish. We have 219,000 longs from an institutional perspective on gold against only 37,000 shorts. So, of course, in the long term, still very, very bullish. So we have to keep that in mind and move back here to the technical side. Now, if in the long term, everything is already bullish and the market will go and retest this area of structure, there is good probability at that point to see even more institutional buying inside of this area. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you'll find linked in the description so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in this kind of situation, what would I expect? Well, if the market will reach this area, as I was saying, me and my students, what would we expect? Now, as usual, and as we know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a nice rejection to the upside away from this area for the market to complete this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're open, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.